guys? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Another day with Crazy Funny Louie. For those of you who know me, guys, I'm one day comedian, one day I'm acting, one day I'm singing, and you probably wondering what I'm doing in the kitchen. Well, that's because I got hidden crazy talent. Boom, boom, boom. Sé cocinar. Para eso que han visto mi canal y saben que hago un poco de todo. Un día estoy cantando, un día estoy riéndome, un día estoy actuando. Pero hoy les quiero dar a ustedes los secretos míos de la cocina y el sabor que este carga. Mira, de mi cocina para la tuya, mamá, para que tú sepas. So, hoy vamos a hacer unos bacalaitos. We're going to be doing patty with Croc fish. I don't know if I said that, guys. Please bear with me, okay? It's going to be fun and it's going to be tasty, guys. So I know you're going to love it, guys. And please, guys, leave your comments after seeing the recipe. Tell me if you like it, if I could have done something better or if I missed something. So your comments very important, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. So let's go into the kitchen. I'll meet you there. Come on. So welcome back, guys. So here I have laid out all the ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe. Aquí tengo todito seteado y ready para enseñarle a ustedes lo que van a necesitar para hacer estos bacalaitos bien riquísimos. Stay tuned, baby. Okay, let's go. So here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tazas de harina de trigo. I have the green, tablespoon, una cucharadita de recadito. Tenemos una cuchara y media de sofrito. This tablespoon and a half. This is a sofrito that we do with peppers, onions, garlic, and some of these greens here. So this is what I'm using for the greens, guys. I don't know if you could get a good look at that, guys. Okay? So, for the Croc fish, we're using Pollock. See that, guys? This is the one you want to get. So, those are the ingredients, guys. So we're gonna come back, put this baby to boil for at least 3 minutes. You don't want it overcooked because remember, once it goes in here and go to the frying pan, it's gonna be overcooked. So no quieren cocinarlo un poco más de 3 minutos, nada más es para sacarle la sal, para que no esté muy salado cuando hagamos los bacalaitos. Okay, guys? So let's get this baby going and come back. So welcome back, guys. So we have this broiled now. It's boiling. We only gonna give it 3 minutes. Remember, guys, just to remove the salt. Esto está hirviendo. Ya tenemos el bacalao hirviendo. Ya recuérdense que son solamente 3 minutos. 3 minutos nada más para sacarle la sal. On to the next step, guys. So welcome back, guys. So now that we have the pollock ready to go, or the Croc fish, how you call it. Okay. Ahora tenemos el bacalao. You see how that comes easy and quicker, guys, my Spanish. Ahora tenemos el bacalao ready. Recuérdate, no lo dejen en pedazos muy grandes porque cuando muerde no quiere morder que esté muy salado. Okay, guys. So remember, shred it into little pieces, the most you can, guys, okay? Just don't overdo it. Okay, so the next step, guys, is to put all the ingredients in the flour. Vamos a poner todos los ingredientes en la harina de trigo. So we're gonna start with the Croc fish here, like so. We're gonna add the greens, el recadito. Ya echamos el bacalao. Now we're gonna put the sofrito. This is like I said, you get a blender, peppers, onions, garlic, and greens. Okay, guys? So we're gonna put the sofrito in like so. get these out of the way. Then we're gonna have an envelope or package of Sazon. It's very important, guys, okay? Un sobrecito de Sazon para darle ese color que no esté muy hincho, okay? So we're gonna put it there like that, guys. So now, guys, we're gonna, with the water, guys, very tricky. Echándole agua, oh, that looks so nice, guys. Echándole agua, you don't want this to be thick. Not so heavy, okay? Just keep adding water. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. El agua, echándole el agua, guys, no puede estar muy quemoso. Tiene que estar un poquito media aguadita, okay, guys? So let's get some water, stir this up, and this will be ready to fry. Let's do it. Okay, you guys. For the next step, we're gonna add the water. Ahora vamos a añadirle el agua. We're gonna stir this baby like so. Don't that look fabulous, guys? And when you taste this, guys, you're gonna get those flavors, those greens, all of those vegetables, the peppers and onions, garlic. You're gonna taste all that, guys. I'm telling you, you're really gonna enjoy this recipe, guys. Y para ustedes, ya que lo han probado, pero la diferencia es que no han probado unos como lo que Luis, o Crazy Luis, excuse me, le está haciendo a ustedes. Which I love you guys for that. So, we're gonna make sure, guys, like I said, that it's not too thick, okay? Bring it over there. That's good there. Nice view for you folks. There you go. So you won't miss anything. So I think I put enough water, guys. It's not too thick, as you could see. Okay, guys? So now, this baby is ready to be fried. Ahora esto está ready para ponerlo en el sartén y vamos a freír. Let's do it, guys. So welcome back, guys. So our pan is hot and ready to go. So we're gonna grab one of these. Okay, ya el aceite está bastante caliente. Déjalo que se ponga caliente. Don't try to rush into it because they're gonna soak a lot of oil, guys, if you put it while the oil is warm, okay? So we're gonna take one like this, one. And then you want to spread it around a little, guys, because these are supposed to be crispy. The thinner the better, guys, remember. Entre más flaquitos sean, no lo hagan muy grueso. Remember, they're supposed to be crispy. Very crispy, not soggy in the middle, guys. So I say medium heat, you know, not so high. Okay, guys, welcome back. And for the final step, guys, I'm going to give you something extra for you to enjoy with these pastelitos or bacalaitos, whichever you want to call it. We're gonna do a salad, guys, and this is gonna be very quickly. So we have some lettuce. Tenemos lechuga ya picada. La vamos a poner ahí en el plato. Some onions. Cebollita picada. We're gonna add that there. Like so. How's that looking so far, huh? You like it? I like it too. Let's continue, guys. I'm just messing with you guys. So I got these octopus in a box. I enjoy these since I was a baby, since I can remember. Let me tell you, and they taste awesome. Esto es lo más bueno que yo he probado en pulpo. Lata o no, but anyway, so we're gonna add 2 cans of this fresh octopus. It's been years here in the can, but it's still fresh for my knowledge and to others who enjoy this. So, vamos a ponerle 2 latas de pulpo fresco de lata. Okay. It comes with a lot of oil, guys. So we're gonna dispose of that oil right here. I already have it set up, guys. I'm just not putting it anywhere, you know. This is very professional. Coming to you from Louis, Crazy Louis. Esto es profesional, bien profesional, porque siendo boricua, mi mamá siempre nos enseñó a cómo defendernos y a cómo cocinar. Okay, so para todas ustedes allá, las mujeres que me conocen o que no me conocen, lo mío es cocinar, lo mío es esto, comida, siempre inventar algo nuevo. Okay, vamos a quitar el aceite a la otra. I love cooking. I was just telling my folks in Spanish, guys, I love cooking. And let me tell you, someday, soon, I'm gonna have a video for you guys where I'm gonna go to Hell's Kitchen to, what do you say? I'm gonna be doing an audition. Sí, como lo oyeron, voy a llegar a Hell's Kitchen. Pronto voy a tener ese video para ustedes para que lo vean. Ok, so vamos a poner la otra latita de pulpo. Vamos a buscar un cucharón right here. I already have them ready. So we're gonna stir it like so. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Look at that. Come on. Now, I really don't like using salad dressing. I really don't. No me gusta usar esa de esto para la ensalada, como le llamen, salad dressing. I love to use this. Aceite de oliva Goya. Man, guys, this tastes. It's not because it's Latino, but it's because it has a great, great taste, guys. You have to try it. So we're gonna put some of this like so on top, real nice, guys, come on. And then we're gonna stir some more. So now, our salad is ready to go. So we're gonna put this on the side. Get rid of this here, put it right here, guys. There, it's not going nowhere. And we're gonna bring this babies. Look at that, guys. Come on. Estos son los pastelillos. And this is the way that they should look, guys. So we're gonna remove this paper towels that I put underneath to remove the extra grease, extra oil, okay? We're gonna put that to the side there. And what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna prepare this, guys, for you right here on Crazy Louis. There you have it. Oops. Have it. A little bit more. Just on top. Let's get this away from there. Oh, I made a mess, guys. Let's toss that to the side. Clean our hands again. And look at that, guys. Now, we're gonna finish it with something nice on top, guys. We're gonna take a little bit more. Vamos a ponerle un poco más aquí. There. Well, guys, let me get this out of the way. Let me clean this so I could have a nice view for you guys. So, there you have it, guys. Isn't that awesome? So, guys, welcome back. So, it's ready. Look at that, guys. What do you think, huh? But before we go, we want to try these babies right here, right now, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, these are the best pastelillos that I ever tasted. Not because I make them myself, well, probably because I did. But anyway, nunca he probado unos pastelillos así. Esto está buenísimo, pero mira qué buenísimo. Régate. Requete buenísimo, ¿ok? So guys, I gotta go.